What's going on, guys? Mr. Dalek JD here, and welcome back to another Black Ops 2 Zombies video, where today we're going to be looking at something that is going to make you guys excited. It's the first look at what we can expect in the new zombie map Origins, and this is the Origins achievement list, so let's get straight to it. So the first one is Little Lost Girl, and this is probably the most exciting one out of all of them. In Origins, release Samantha. Now, straight away, that's just ridiculous. Like, what the heck? That makes no sense whatsoever, as, you know, she isn't born in this time period. This is like 30, 40 years before anything happened that was in World at War. So, I really don't know. I have no way of like, any idea on how that can be explained, but Treyarch are very good at what they do, and this should be just the biggest twist ever, so I can't wait to find out what happens in that Easter egg. The next one is Not a Gold Digger. In Origins, share a weapon you dug up. Now, looking at this section of this cinematic where we're underground, maybe there are weapons that are underground. Maybe you get some sort of shovel from the box. It does sound a bit far-fetched, or some sort of attachment on a gun which lets you dig weapons up. I'm really not sure, but that's interesting that we can share a weapon that we've dug up. So I'm guessing you find the weapon and then you somehow place it in something so someone else can get it. I'm not too sure. The next one is All Your Base. In Origins, activate all generators without allowing one to stop. Now, in the preview trailer for the Apocalypse map pack, we saw like a look at these weird kind of pillars that all like aligned in a shape, and you saw it as well underground in that where that medieval zombie was. But I'm guessing that's what the generators are. I'm not too sure what they do. Maybe they're Easter egg related, or just part of something that maybe they're pack-a-punch or something. I'm not too sure. Next one is Kung Fu Grip. In Origins, free yourself and another from the panzer Soldat's claw. So that must be the robot then, as you know, one of the arms for it could be its claw. It likes to stamp down, it likes to grab stuff. So the robot is called Panzer Soldat, and hopefully it's not too difficult to free yourself, but free yourself and another. Okay, interesting. Next one is Playing with Power. In Origins, build all elemental staffs in one game. Now this is weird. Okay, so building, so that sounds like, you know, we need the crafting tables to build stuff, and staffs sound like what Gandalf would use, you know, in Lord of the Rings, where he has the big staff. I'm guessing that's what it is, but building multiple staffs, that's interesting, and I'm not too sure what they could do. I mean, I really don't know, but if you've got any ideas, be sure to pop them down below in the comment section. The next one is I'm on a tank. In Origins, ride the tank around the map without getting off. So this sounds like a pretty easy achievement if you think about how in Transit we could kind of survive without leaving the bus. I mean, it depends if you really wanted to go and get anything. I'm not too sure if it's going to be a similar layout in Origins. You know, Transit wasn't a great map, so I hope not, but it shouldn't be too difficult. Saving the day, all day. In Origins, revive another player 4 different ways in one game. This is interesting because there's only 2 methods of revival right now. There's, you know, going up to the player and reviving them, or by shooting them with a ballistic knife, which is pack-a-punched. So I don't know how exactly they'll do that, but this next achievement kind of goes into it a little bit more. Master of Disguise. In Origins, use zombie blood to revive 3 players and activate a generator in one game. So in my mind, I thought that was a turned achievement, but I'm thinking if you use zombie blood, it may disguise you so the zombies think you are a zombie, and then you can go and revive. That's just my interpretation of it, but I'm not too sure. The next one is Overachiever. In Origins, complete all 4 challenges in one game. So it sounds like within the map we get these 4 challenges which you can complete. I'm not too sure if they're Easter egg related or just something that is involved in something, you know, like how building the plane got you over to the Pack-a-Punch and Mob of the Dead. I'm not too sure. Again, this is made by the Mob of the Dead team, so they might have implemented something similar to that. And the last one is Master Wizard, which does sound like Gandalf or like Dumbledore or something. In Origins, wield all of the ultimate staffs in one game. So I'm guessing with these staffs that we build, we can now upgrade them, and they're called the ultimate staffs, but I really don't know what they could do. If you have any ideas, be sure to pop them down below in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like rating, share it with your friends to tell them all about the goodies that are in this Origins achievement list. Subscribe to see gameplay on the 27th when it releases, and stay tuned as I'm going to be working round the clock to attempt to complete the Easter egg in this map, as I want to release Samantha and I want to know what happens in the storyline. I'm super pumped. I'll see you guys soon.